I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful look I am obsessed with. So I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm putting this shade all over my lid. I forgot the shade name, but it's like a really light, cool tone color. And I'm going in with this Urban Decay palette. We're going to add that shade on the lid. It is a really nice shimmery opal color. Then going with this Urban Decay Moon Dust in the inner corner. I love the way these look together. They just look so good. Next, I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette again and getting that shade and adding it to the outer corner just to deepen it. And after that, I will be creating a liner. I love doing a wing liner on me. I feel like it just looks really good with my eyes. It like elongates them a little bit more since I have like really rounded eyes. So I love the process of just putting a wing liner. It's one of my favorites. I'm using one of the Old House Labs eyeliner, so it's not even available anymore. Then going in with the Urban Decay Moon Dust and adding it as a highlighter because do you guys see the glow? Next, I'm going in with my GLAM Light lip liner from the Hershey's collection. This is the Cookies and Cream Hershey's collection. It is such a nice color. I love lining my lips with it. It's so satisfying. It's kind of therapeutic to me. So I'm going in after that with the Half Magic Gloss. You guys, this gloss is so pretty, super lightweight. You don't even feel the shimmers. That is like how the look is looking. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys save this and try to recreate this because I'm obsessed.